BJP has gone all guns blazing after Owaisi, after AIMIM chief has warned that Narendra Modi government would face instability, and this is over the tabling of the Waqf Amendment Bill in its current form. Now, let's remind you that Owaisi, the chief of AIMIM, said that if the Waqf Amendment Bill is enacted in its current form, it will lead to social instability in the country. And he also said that this aims to take the country back to the 1980s and 1990s. Now the BJP has reacted to the statement of Owaisi, taking on him sharply. Listen in to Giriraj Singh's statement.
ये भारत का संविधान किसी के पिताजी का संविधान नहीं है और ओवैसी गलतफहमी में ना जिए। ये कानून की राज है और देश का प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी है। देश कानून से चलेगा। कोई समाज मुसलमान हो या हिंदू, कानून से ऊपर कोई नहीं है। बहुत डरा लिए देश को। जो लोग वोट के सौदागर हैं वे डरेंगे, लेकिन कानून से बड़ा कोई बनने की कोशिश न करे। जो कानून कहेगा वही वक्फ बोर्ड में होगा। वक्फ बोर्ड कोई हड़पो आंदोलन का व्यवस्था नहीं बनेगी।
Let's also show you what Owaisi said in the parliament over the Waqf bill now.
I am cautioning and warning this government. I am cautioning and warning this government. If you bring and make a Waqf law in the present form, which will be violation of Article 25, 26 and 14, it will lead to social instability in this country. It has been rejected by the entire Muslim community. No Waqf property will be left. Nothing will be left, I say. You want to make India Viksit Bharat? We want Viksit Bharat. You want this country to take back into 80s and early 90s? It will be your responsibility. Because as a proud Indian Muslim, I will not lose an inch of my masjid. Forget about a masjid. I will not lose an inch of my dargah. I will not allow that. We will no more say and come and give a diplomatic talk over here. This is the house which I have to stand up and say honestly that my community, which you are proud Indians, it is my property, not given by anyone. You cannot snatch it away from me. Waqf is a form of a worship for me.
And Riyanka, my colleague, joins us live to give us more on this story. Riyanka, very good morning to you. Now, the government has time and again said, in fact, the JPC on the Waqf has said that this is a progressive bill. The president herself made that remarks. Why is Owaisi fear-mongering?
Well, since the very start of the talks, when the Waqf Amendment Bill was in fact thought about, since then we have seen this sort of an opposition from Asauddin Owaisi, who is now even more going ahead and fear-mongering. He is in fact trying to scare the people. This is what is on the lines of what the BJP has to say. The BJP is constantly maintaining that Asauddin Owaisi is trying to scare the people. The BJP also is also trying to say that no Muslim is above the constitution and the constitution must be respected. It is a very, very progressive bill that is being worked upon, is what the centre is trying to push forward. But on the other hand, what we have heard from Asauddin Owaisi, he has said that all the Muslim community has rejected this bill. But what we have seen on the other hand, the JPC, there have been several discussions that have been held over the past few months by the JPC, which has taken into consideration several Muslim leaders, several Muslim scholars, officials from the Waqf board. Even after this, Asauddin Owaisi alleges that no Muslim has accepted, they have instead rejected this bill, and there is going to be social instability if the Waqf bill come into power. Now, there is this face-off between the India Alliance leaders as well as the union government regarding this very controversial bill. We'll have to wait and see what happens next. But the BJP is there responding to the statements made by Asaduddin Owaisi, who is now fear-mongering as the talks on this bill is being somewhere, going ahead and getting enough progress.